You must have heard about cloud systems and infrastructure, right? Well, platform engineers are the ones making it all happen. These professionals build and manage the system that power modern tech. And guess what? The pay for this role in 2026, it's pretty impressive. Platform engineers are the backbone of tech companies. They handle cloud infrastructure, scale systems, deploy microservices, and make sure everything runs smoothly. And without them, tech wouldn't work. Let's talk about money in India. For entry-level roles, that is for 0 to 2 years of experience, the salary ranges from 14 lakhs to 16 lakh per annum. For mid-level roles, that is 3 to 6 years, the salary goes from 15 lakh to 17 lakh per annum. For experienced engineers, that is for 6 to 9 years of experience, the salary ranges from 18 lakh to 21 lakh per annum. And for senior roles, that is 9 plus years of experience, salary goes from 22 lakhs to 25 lakhs per year. And in top companies, senior roles can go all the way up to 70 lakh plus annually. The average salary in India is around 25 lakh per annum. Lead platform engineers can earn anywhere between 30 lakh to 44 lakh per year, and data platform engineers' average salary is 32.5 LPA. Now let's head into the US. For entry to mid-level roles, you can expect around $120,000 to $160,000 per year. For senior roles, salary ranges from $200,000 to $350,000 per year. Roles in big companies like IBM or Ahead can pay between $140,000 to $210,000 annually. If you want to boost your salary, specializing in cloud infrastructure and microservices can really take your pay to the next level. These roles often pay more than DevOps or software engineering positions. If you're thinking to become a platform engineer, the pay is really great and the career is growing fast. Make sure to like and subscribe for more such career tips by Simplilearn.